Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by logging into your WordPress admin. This gives you direct control. Once logged in, go to Appearance and open either Themes or Customize so you can edit the header immediately. Make a quick backup of the header image and any theme files you plan to change. This prevents accidental loss. Then open the theme editor only if you're comfortable. Otherwise, use the customizer for safer, visual edits. This sets up a clean working state, so changes won't break your site. Next, focus on the visual edits themselves. In the customizer, locate header image or site identity. That's where you upload a new header or swap the logo. Upload, then use the crop and size controls so the image fits both desktop and mobile. Preview at different breakpoints. Adjust alignment and padding to maintain balance, and edit the site title or tagline if needed so text doesn't overlap. Make small changes, preview instantly, and iterate until the header looks cohesive across devices. Finish by saving and publishing your changes, then test on desktop, tablet, and phone to confirm consistency. If something breaks, revert immediately using the backup or restore the original header file. Alternatively, switch edits to a child theme to avoid update overwrites. Make sure to clear browser, WordPress, and CDN caches so you see the current result. If alignment still fails, inspect responsive CSS rules and adjust header padding or media queries. This resolves most layout issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.